Welcome to our channel. Setting up your Chromecast with Google TV is simple and gives you access to thousands of apps and streaming services. Follow these steps for initial setup. Step 1. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then connect the power cable to a wall outlet or USB port. Step 2. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input source using your TV remote. The Chromecast setup screen should appear automatically. Step 3. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it installed. Step 4. Open the Google Home app and ensure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to use for your Chromecast. Step 5. The app should automatically detect your Chromecast. Tap on the device name when it appears in the app to begin setup. Step 6. Verify the code displayed on your TV matches the code shown in the Google Home app on your phone, then tap Yes to confirm. Step 7. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list, enter the password, and wait for the Chromecast to connect to the internet. Step 8. Sign in with your Google account, customize settings, and install apps. Your Chromecast with Google TV is now ready to stream content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.